Good morning, everybody. Happy Saturday. I just put a video out today of that HMS medal that I picked up from a guy. Seems to be doing pretty good. A couple hundred views in just an hour or so. So thank you, everybody, for watching that video. I've got a 5-gallon bucket. These things right here. You guys been watching me cut all these plug-ins off of these cable wires from my golf cart honey hole. I've been cutting a bunch. He gave me some to start with. I made a video of it when he gave it to me. 5-gallon bucket. A little bit of this, a little bit of that. So I've been kind of putting this bucket together for a while. Obviously, it's a pretty good sized bucket. So it's taking me a while to put together, but now, it's a rainy day. I could probably find something else to do around here, but I think I'm gonna sort through these and just see what the scrapyard gives me. They gave me, which I was totally surprised, 35 cents a pound for just my plug-ins the other day. Yeah, 35 cents a pound. So like I said in my video, probably won't be doing plug soup anytime soon, because there's no way I'm gonna take the time it takes me to pull them prongs out and make my money back. So I'm not gonna do that. But yeah, I'm gonna just take my time today, kind of go through these plug-ins. I've got a magnet, got out of a microwave. Some of them are steel. So the steel ones still have copper in the ends. So I'm gonna put a bucket of these together. And then I'm gonna put a bucket of my copper, like that, ends together in one separate bucket. And then for the other ones that have either brass or coated copper, I'll kind of put them in their own bucket. So I'm pretty sure that I've got quite a few of these copper ones with the ends cut off, so they'll just go in the bucket. So I just got to separate them. I've pretty much already got everything off them that I want to cut off as far as the ends go. Cut them as close to the metal as I could, except for where they had so much plastic on them. Cut them back a little bit more because I'm stripping this stuff. I've been stripping it. You've seen where I stripped a lot of it. This is literally all I have left. That's all I have left of that right there. But yeah, today I'm gonna try to make a video of this. I'm gonna put this camera on my tripod. See if I can't make some kind of video out of these plug-ins. And like I said, I'm gonna separate brass from the copper and the steel, put them in their own 3, what I think is separated buckets, and we'll see what they give me. So we'll do a WWWP sometime, not sure when, on these plugs. Another thing I wanna say, guys, Grandpa's got a 7,000 subscriber giveaway coming pretty soon. Where's that thing? And we're gonna have a giveaway, but I also am hoping for a 10,000 subscriber giveaway. Maybe soon, who knows? But I have a lot of stuff that I'm gonna be giving away on that 10,000 subscriber giveaway. So if you wanna be part of that giveaway, obviously you're gonna have to subscribe to my channel. First prize, GoPro 10. So I figured that's kind of suits 10,000 subscribers. A GoPro 10 for my first prize. Second prize is gonna be a brand new DeWalt battery set. What I mean is brand new. The only thing I took out of this bag was the battery and the charger. And I'm not sure why. I did that, but it will be coming with a brand new charger. I have like 5 of them, and a battery, an impact drill, and the standard like type drill. So that's number 2. Prize number 3 is going to be some silver. And what I'll do is I'll show a few pieces that I have and let the third place pick which one they want, or whatever it is that I'm going to be given for the third place. It's going to be a piece of silver and something else. And then I'm going to be giving away my stickers, maybe some small things that I order in the mail, like some of my pens. I have a couple keychains, Scrapple with Grandpa. I have some flashlights that are pretty cool. There you go, some of these flashlights. Scrapple with Grandpa. Blind me. Blind you now. Giving away a few of these. Pretty bright. Actually work pretty good. I get them from pens.com. Scrapple with Grandpa. Free scrap metal pickup. So yeah, they come from pens.com. So that's just a few of the prizes that I'm going to have for my 7,000. I mean, my this is 10,000. 10,000. For my 7,000, it's going to be silver. First place, ounce of silver. Some people will win these. Some people I just send stickers. Anyway, be a subscriber. Scrapple with Grandpa. What's next? What's next? What's next? Look at my clock. A couple t-shirts from YouTubers. If you're a YouTuber, you have stickers. My address is in my profile somewhere. I'm sure you can find it easily enough. I'd love to have some stickers, and I'll be glad to send out some stickers to anybody that wants them. Scrapple with Grandpa. What's next? I kind of found that figuring out which ones of these were brass and which ones of these were copper was a little bit harder than what I thought, because these, even though they're not magnetic, they don't appear to be copper or brass. They're just kind of silver. And they're basically all like that. I mean, all of them. So I found myself basically having to having to run every one of them things through my machine and just touching it to my grinder. I'm thinking to myself, I've got a 5-gallon bucket of these things. It's gonna be a lot of work. So, alternative, even though some of them are copper, some of them you'll find are brass. Best thing to do, put them in a bucket, bring them to the scrapyard, tell them you have no steel, because I'm going to separate all the steel ones. Tell them you have a mixture of brass and copper, and see what they give you for it, because one by one, there's probably 10,000 of these things in here. I'm not going to run them on my grinder. So anyways, that's what I came up with, and so I'm going to go through this bucket, removing any parts and pieces that are steel, any pieces of copper that I might run into. Turn them in like that. So we'll do a what it weigh and what it pay on that.